West Coast Swing Thursday night at Nick's Nightclub with myself and, as of course, talented Miss Stephanie on my side. We're going to share with you a never shown before sequence that we taught for our weekly class here at Nick's. Now, it is a whip in general terms, but it really is very different. So the first part of this, after the sugar push, guys, you're going to use both hands to make her walk down the track for the first few steps. 1, 2. Guys, you're going to start to raise your left hand. I use one hand once I've gotten stronger at this move, but when you first started learning it, as I did two hands. So we're just going to go 1, 2, so 1, 2. Start to raise it, give her an indication something's going to go happen. Then from here, you're going to turn the ladies to their left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after 2, I let go of her right hand, and then just use my right hand to make the turn. So I'm making her come forward. I'm going to go this way, and turn her. 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's turned, waiting on her left foot. I'm on my right foot, and I'm stepped towards her, okay? Because I want to do the next part near her. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Then from there, you're going to do a little rock and go. For the ladies, you're going to go 5 and 6. So you're in place, basically, the guys are. The ladies doing the rock and go, but the turn starts the rock and go. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'm on my right foot. Steph is on her left. So going this way, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So you push her and bring her back. So it's a real quick turn added on to that. So sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And I'm near her for the next part. Now from here, we're going to do the whole thing together because there's energy involved that really makes the move flow. So this is the whole thing, and then we'll break it down for you. Okay, so sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know there was a lot going on there, but it's really not as hard as it looked. Remember to give us a thumbs up. Hope you like it so far, because that was it. There's a lot of cool stuff involved in that. So after the first part, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock and go, 5 and 6. Now where she is, she's on the track, I'm off to her right. We're going to cross over. I'm going to cross over to the other side of the track and go over her head. Don't hit her in the head. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. I'm doing a little jazz box there for myself. It really gets her, she didn't even know I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I'm on my left foot. Steph is coming forward on her right foot. And that last part finishes the ending. Now it's not a big turn for her at the end, but it's more of a walk. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. She rolls off of my arm. I leave there's a guide rail for it. She just walks and she triples the ending. So look at it going front to back, both directions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so go in this direction. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Walk her through, turn her, rock and go, up and over, and get out of her way. The ending. Okay, and then just the last part of that is when I come through and I turn, I just let her go, then the direction flows. Whole way through. All right, sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll give her a little push at the end just in case the energy is not good if it's a slow song, but it does help her in the end. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like it, guys. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button for a free video. We'll have one for you next week, week after that. There's so many videos on our channel, over 600 to choose from, so don't always think that just because it's not, you haven't seen it in a while, those past ones are just as good. So until next time, have a great week, and as always,
keep dancing.
bye.